In 2025, JPS will be investing about 17 billion Jamaican dollars on infrastructure improvements to help with reliability of our grid. This is more than 20% of what it did in previous years. This investment will include reinforcement of our power lines, replacement of poles, and expansion also of smart grid technology. This technology will further give us visibility into our grid to facilitate more timely response and to move along. Given the impact of climate change, we're seeing more frequent, more severe, longer duration adverse weather conditions. In light of this, we are focusing on building out our resiliency portfolio. This takes stronger partnerships, stronger stakeholder engagements to unlock these opportunities. As business partners, I'm sure you will agree with me that in order to move forward on the path of excellence, one must be willing to have the difficult conversation. And one such difficult conversation that I will not avoid is a conversation around affordability. I cannot stand here as a JPS CEO and not address one of the issues that is top of mind to my customers. As you are aware, one of the main drivers of the costs of electricity is the pass-through costs of fuels needed for power generation. But with that being said, we are not standing helplessly and blaming costs. We are committed to influencing policy and working with stakeholders to come up with viable, creative, and practical solutions. We are working with the regulator on possible changes to the tariff structure to give customers more choices and more control over their energy usage and costs. We are proposing to allow more robust time of use facility. We are supporting electrification of transportation sector, growth of electric vehicles that have potential to drive demand, which will translate to reduction in overall rates.